Want to know why nearly 80% of age gap relationships fail within their first year? While the dating landscape has transformed dramatically over the last decade, certain critical mistakes remain surprisingly consistent. After analyzing hundreds of failed relationships between older men and younger women, I discovered something fascinating. It's rarely about the age gap itself. I've broken down the 10 most important rules you're probably breaking right now. If you don't want to be that older guy who keeps getting ghosted without knowing why, watch this video to the end. Rule 10. Don't be her father figure. She's not looking for a dad. If you think playing the wise old mentor will make her stay, you're dead wrong. You're supposed to be her equal, not her life coach or disciplinarian. Rule 9. Quit believing in the old school romance myth. Wake up, it's not 1950 anymore. Clinging to outdated ideas about romance is not charming but oblivious. Modern relationships are partnerships, not performances of archaic scripts. Keep treating romance like a playbook from the past, and you'll end up alone. Rule 8. Guard your past and share only what's necessary. Many older men treat their past like it's a badge of honor they need to flaunt. No, a woman doesn't need to hear the drawn-out saga of your glory days, your ex-wife drama, or how many business deals you closed back when cell phones were the size of bricks. Dumping your entire life story on her won't earn you extra points. It'll strip away any mystery or intrigue and make you sound like a nostalgia-ridden old man clinging to what was instead of embracing what is. Rule 7. Don't try to be her age. Stop embarrassing yourself. Seriously. Trying to act like you're still in your 20s when you're clearly not is a desperate move, and everyone, especially she, can see right through it. Dressing in the latest streetwear, using slang that feels painfully forced, or pretending you can keep up with her lifestyle doesn't make you seem younger. It makes you look like you're having a midlife crisis. Embrace who you are. Your age, wisdom, and maturity are your assets, not something to be ashamed of. Chasing trends won't make you more appealing, it'll only underline the fact that you're out of place. Understand this, trying to be something you're not or someone you once were reeks of insecurity, and it's not fooling anyone. Rule 6. Avoid flaunting wealth excessively. Sure, you've got money. Maybe you're driving a flashy car, wearing a designer watch, or dropping insane amounts on dinner at the trendiest spot in town. But here's the harsh reality. If you think waving around your wealth is the ultimate way to capture a younger woman's attention, you're right, if you're okay with being seen as nothing more than a human ATM. Flashing cash is not a flex. It's a neon sign screaming insecurity. You're basically broadcasting to the world that you think your bank account is your only redeeming quality. And let's be brutally honest, if a younger woman is only hanging around for the perks, your relationship is about as stable as your last risky investment. Rule 5. Stop assuming all younger women want stability. Get over yourself. If you think your steady income, established career, or cushy suburban home is going to win her over, think again. Stability might sound appealing to you because, let's be honest, you're no longer living for Friday nights and spontaneous adventures. But guess what? For many younger women, the idea of being safe and secure with a man twice their age feels more suffocating than comforting. This generation values experiences over predictability, and they're not shy about it. They want the thrill of new faces, the excitement of trying the unknown, and the freedom to live on their own terms. Sure, stability might be nice in theory, but it's not the jackpot you think it is. To her, your meticulously planned life may feel like a trap, not a treasure. Make this a golden rule in your relationship diary right now. Rule 4. Don't assume she'll change for you. Let's be blunt, if you expect a younger woman to magically align herself with your lifestyle, you're living a fool's dream. You think she's going to give up her wild nights out, her passion for spontaneous adventures, or her never-ending quest for self-discovery just because you waltzed into her life with your mature charm and seasoned advice, or the money you flaunt. Get real. She's in her prime, driven by the urge to explore, experience, and grow, not to settle into someone else's already established lifestyle. You might think, oh, she'll mature and fall in line with my way of life eventually. Wrong. The reality is she'll grow out of you rather than adapt to you. Trying to mold her into something that suits you is delusional. She'll go along with it until she's had enough, and then resentment will start seeping in. When that happens, don't act surprised if she begins to drift away emotionally, if not physically. By trying to change her, you'll only make her feel trapped, misunderstood, and ultimately ready to leave. The truth is, she's not looking to be anyone's project. If you can't accept her as she is, with her own dreams, values, and lifestyle, it's only a matter of time before she's out the door. Rule 3. Don't overcompensate for generational gaps. Another rule you break when dating younger women is thinking that memorizing TikTok dances or throwing around Gen Z slang will make you one of the cool kids. But it doesn't. There's something inherently cringe-worthy about an older man desperately trying to keep up with trends that were never meant for him in the first place. You're not her peer, and no amount of overcompensation is going to change that. Admit when you're out of your depth. It's not a crime to be clueless about whatever viral sensation is sweeping the internet this week. In fact, pretending to be in the know only highlights how out of touch you really are. Instead, embrace the age difference and find common ground naturally. Trust me, you'll earn far more respect by being authentic than by pretending to relate to things you don't understand. Trying too hard only makes you seem desperate. Rule 2. Be true to yourself and learn to say no. Stop being a puppet. Sacrificing your authenticity to fit into her world doesn't make you more appealing, it makes you look pathetic. Learn to say no and mean it. Rule 1. Don't sacrifice your path to please her. You've worked hard, built a life, and established your values. Twisting yourself to fit the mold of what you think she wants is downright pathetic. Your life isn't meant to be a diluted version of someone else's dreams. Walk your path boldly, and if she can't handle that, she was never meant to walk alongside you. If you found this video informative, please take a moment to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section below. If you have made it this far, comment below with the word 100% to confirm that you have received the knowledge from this video. For more interesting topics like this, also make sure you watch the recommended video that you see on the screen right now. Until next time, stay safe and awesome. Thanks for watching.